Hello, in this video we will give you tricks to have a GitHub account in Bunk. First, you need to visit bunkaccount.com. You can search for this site. Click on this one. Then you will see the interface of our website. You can click on tutorial here to see instructions on how to create an account at bunkaccount.com. Then follow step by steps to top up your account. To buy GitHub account, you back to the home page here. Then press Ctrl+F. Enter GitHub here. You will see the available GitHub accounts. Add GitHub with 2FA and email access, or add GitHub with 2FA. Click on the type of GitHub account that you want to buy to see more information. For example, I click on this one, add GitHub with 2FA. Then you will see the product type, price for each account, and the number of accounts in stock. The difference here is the age of account. The number 0 here in the in stock column means this type of account run out of stock. For example, I want to buy this type GitHub account with 2FA enable, age 2 months. Click on this one or click on order now. Then beside the number of accounts in stock and the price for each account, you will see the description of this type of account. GitHub accounts with 2FA enable, age 2 months. Account format is email : GitHub password : 2FA : profile URL. 2FA is enabled, so this type of account is really high quality accounts. You can log in the purchased account with any IP address on any device. When GitHub asks for a 2FA code, you click on this link and import the 2FA secret key here to generate the 2FA code. GitHub will not ask for a security code that's sent to your email accounts. Only 2FA code is required. For this profile URL, you need to visit profile URL to check account before logging. If the profile URL exists, then the account is still active. If the profile URL does not exist, please contact us for a replacement. About the guarantee policy, we guarantee for 24 hours after account delivery for any invalid accounts or accounts that cannot be logged in. No guarantee after accounts are logged in successfully. Next, you enter the number of accounts you want to buy into this session. For example, I want to buy 3 accounts. Enter 3, then click checkout. You will see a confirmation dialog box. Click on confirm button here. The checkout process will be made immediately and automatically. Click on terms of use if you want to read out terms of use. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username, select order to see the account's information. The accounts will be delivered to you immediately right after you make payment, so you can check here and click on view button to see the account's information. For example, this is the TikTok Ads Manager account that I bought. Now I click on view button here to see the account's information. Back to the description of the account you buy to see the account format. This is the email, you see, then a comma TikTok X password. This is the TikTok X password. Then a comma. Next is the 2FA key, 2FA key here. Then a comma. Next is a sex email info. You can see the information to a sex email and get code. And finally is the ID. Next, to export account, you click on export here. Then a text file containing account information will be downloaded. You can see a text file here with account information. Then you can use the purchased account. In case you need support or want to ask for a guarantee, you click on contact here. Then you will see our contact information. So we have just given you tricks to have a GitHub account in bank. You can visit our website to see other types of accounts. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.